Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya
Ka jingalang juga kenhur menteri hakish potrik lalingkot arajar pausan kelaminjur ban Thungkam Pura iki Nongtrei Adhoc betre hai Tnat rekam Bapher ka Sorkar Jylla haba keren jikelat pathai kubor mindirang ba ka Jylla ukon rat ke sangma ulong begidan Nongtrei Adhoc pra Thungkam haswa jong snam arajar nyo hai regular post hede jing Thungkam pat kalong ka batang shipor bat hakabe debat kani ke ying bishar Supreme Court jongkari India klabatha ik Sorkar Jylla ban pinskem no ekam jongki lani ban wengno yaki nakakam Hendrai dah kaliang jongka Sorkar Jylla klarai ban pinskem yakakam ke jongki ban blay thuru begidan kumba praspa san phongut Nongtrei Adhoc ki blay yo ke jing pinskem kum Nongtrei Pura jongka Sorkar.
Very important decision we have taken today. If you recall, in 2022 there were ad hoc employees who were appointed pre 2007 based on they were appointed on the ad hoc on regular post, but it was an ad hoc appointment, meaning the proper recruitment procedure was not followed. And at that point in time, the Supreme Court had mandated the government to either regularize them or terminate them and follow a process of recruiting the employees again. And then in that time, 2022, government of Meghalaya the cabinet decided that we will regularize, as per the Supreme Court mandate, those 3,000 employees. Now, once we did that, the departments, because there are massive appointments done in different departments in different locations, and a large number were missed out. That means people who are before 2007, the cutoff date. I'm not talking about individuals who were appointed post 2007. This is pre-2007. So there were still about 850 people as per our list who were missed out during that approval that was given by the cabinet. So it is the same yardstick for that particular group, but it is being employees who are in ad hoc appointments against sanctioned post. So 800 plus, about 850 plus minus employees who were left out, the government today has decided to regularize their appointment. So this is a very important one. Many of them missed out. We have now added those 850 plus to that list and we have regularized them today.